So good. It's 3 a.m. and we're heading to the airport. Airports. It's July 7. Look at that. Hindi niyo pala nakikita. Charing. Anyways, yeah, we're just waiting for boarding.
Yeah.
And kanina, nasa malayong lugar kami nakaupo. Para mag-TikTok.
Solitude.
Ito yung nag-antay, 1 hour kami nag-antay sa check-in. So yeah, but thankfully natapos na kami.
Yeah, thankfully we're done and we're just waiting
For departure. It's currently 6:34. I'm eating egg salad. Ano kinakain? Ano kinakain mo?
Huh? Onigiri. Beef
black
onigiri with black pepper. So good. You try it. Walang hindi tayo makukuha na.
Bilis lang no?
So,
Dito na kami guys.
this one.
And nasa gitna pala ako nakaupo. It's currently 7 o'clock.
上岸指挥舰往俄萨拉飞机，后给海员进入绿岛主发表。面向北发表赴发赏，日海地的往选三个月来办法的日地网，因sau khi máy bay đóng cửa cho đến khi hạ cánh, di chuyển vào nhà ga.
Oh yeah, Pog. Gusto niya ba ng snippets?
Got here guys. Just land with a bit of kaba here and there. Pero thank God we just landed safely. Like, ang buo ba talaga? So, nasa-taxi na kami guys. Kasi meron kaming airport pickup.
So, hello everyone.
So yeah. And
We're here.
akala namin walang airport pickup. Mas meron na sana kaming Grab. Kaso,
0 out of 10.
nung lumabas kami, nakita namin yung pangalan ni CJ Go. Then, nagulat kami. Then, sinabi namin dun kay ate na meron kaming pickup. So yeah, 500 yung Grab, tapos yung airport pickup daw is 400 lang. Which is, mas mura siya.
Yeah.
I like how it's quite more of a nature vibe. Kasi ang daming green.
Hindi sila na pagkakakalo. Hindi sila na so I thought wala kami sundo. So,
Nung nasa airplane pa kami, nakikita mo na yun. Puro siya green. So, like, puro siya nature.
we're like, okay. So,
Puro siya trees. Park ka na.
naglalakad kami.
It's lang ganda.
So,
1 hour daw yung drive papunta dun sa hotel.
yeah, 1 hour
And, and we're quite hungry already.
sa airport.
And we're gonna eat Jollibee.
Poor lang yung akin kasi phone.
So yeah,
Next
kasi
time,
it's been
I'll buy-
what, 9 years since I ate Jollibee. So now I'm quite excited na nalaman ko na merong Jollibee sa Vietnam. Ang daming Jollibee dito. So yeah. So, nagtawag kami ng angkas, guys. Andiyan na siya. So, I'm still waiting for mine. We're going to Jollibee. See ya, see ya. So, it's very good. So we're here na, guys. And kita niyo naman kanina sa video na nakatakot ako. So yeah. But thankfully nakadating kami dito. We're just looking for the Jollibee. I was very excited. Of course. So yeah. Ordering, guys. I'm about to order, guys. What's that? I'm gonna order the right. Dito na yung aming lunch, guys. Kinuha ko yung chicken and rice. May sabaw din siya. I ordered mana din ako ng sauce. Siya naman is chicken with sauce something. Chicken, ano ba to? Then chicken rice bowl. And tatong chicken. Later, we're gonna have sundae. So, let's eat. Mama. Ganito yung nakabilang. Akala ko meron silang beef stick.
Akala ko nga may gravy sila eh.
By the way, ba?
Pag nagbida lang kami ng pera, nabubobo kami.
Diyan, no?
Ano ko yun? Uling kamay mo, baka siya
Davut, se queda like.
Vamos a ver. Nanapit na, OMG.
Oh my gosh, kaya ko siya i-touch.
Ay, oh. Ano pa lang?
Gosh. It's like Cherry Bells in the moon.
Baka pala sa ko.
Oo, oh my God, may natulog dyan.
Alam mo, yun. Uy, Shenx.
Shenx.
Ma!
Wait, ano bakit?
Yes. What's the right? So here's our food, guys. This is chicken, Vietnamese fried fish sausage, avocado coconut, and coconuts. Let's eat some.
So, ayan na. It's just here. This is rate mo nga siya. 10.
Number 8.
8? Parang 5. Kasi I don't like cilantro. Ang returning pa rin natin. Okay. Again.
First time na it's gonna be okay.
Huh?
For nothing.
Expect na natin. Pero I don't think so maganda na tayo. Hindi lang tayo pinasin.
So it's second day, guys. We're here at Mega Mall. It's like a Venice vibe. Parang city. Venice City pala.
Venice.
Yeah, just look at that. Look at my background.
Nandito kami sa
And it's 10:21, July 8. So it's second day.
And I'm so excited kasi
Yeah. Nang laki niya, actually.
ito talaga yung inaabang. Gusto rin kasi
Kumuha
namin yung
din
egg.
kami ng
Kasi talaga kanina.
tour
hinahanap
para
namin
mahanap
yung
talaga.
shop.
Mahanap.
Yung, may nakita ko sa
Kita talaga namin lahat. Kasi may iba't iba
So,
pala siya.
sabi namin,
So yeah.
yun na lang.
And 400
na lang kasi nga
NTD siya.
medyo late na kahapon. So,
So per person. And I think it's
yun.
it's worth it.
Kaya,
Kasi lahat makikita mo talaga. By tour siya. And meron din siyang ganito. Pa siyang tok-tok. May tour guide ka.
Pero,
Yeah,
yun
that's
din.
that. Got our coffee.
Shanghai, China. Photo.
Can we take pictures? Photo. Yeah.
So, nag-outfit check lang kami individually. Wait lang, Audrey. I'm scared. Huwag kang mahulog. So, yeah. And sobrang walang tao, guys. This is my outfit. Bandana. Bag. It's from Shein. This is Ralph Lauren cup. And I bought this yesterday sa thrift shop. Hindi ko alam kung totoo ba. Okay. And this is my dress sa thrift shop din dun sa Second Street. My shoes sa ang tawag dun? Tigers. Yeah. Tigers. My dress is from Uniqlo. This is from CJ. Binigay niya sa akin ng isang araw. This is my camera, digital camera. The most important thing. And ito yung birthday gift ni Jocelyn. And this is from Shein. And my hoops is from Shein din. Yeah, so that's it. So just taking pictures. And outfit check. So yeah. Ang ganda dito. Walang masyadong tao. So, it's literally a ghost town. So, yeah, madaming closed na shop or store. And, yeah, like, look at the back. Yan, hindi pa siya, siguro hindi pa siya tapos. Andito din. Naglalaro sila ng, mahjong ata. So, makisali tayo. Oh. Shang. So, hello kuya. Let's bigla kumano. Chareng! So scary. It's raining. It's raining, guys. Gems. This is not funny anymore.
Thảo luận một chút về đạo Dưỡng Sinh. Dưỡng Sinh, tôi thấy là anh đang bàn chuyện thứ ba. Ngồi treo. Nhất là như vậy, tôi tới đây.
Thank you.
Chuyện
Thank you.
đọc của tôi chỉ có hẳn không phải
Training shams. Ay, kung
không là gì anh ấy đã bị
TikTok muna kami guys. Lang. So, nag-sunking muna kami guys. Kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Dapat lang. So, nag-aantay lang kami na mag-stop yung rain para makapag-continue kami sa susunod namin tour. Bihira. Nabasa na ka.
Pero pretty pa din. Gusto ko yung driver natin ngayon. Hindi yung tenga ko.
Imbis maiinis ka pero maganda yung
Yung vibe niya. Tapos check na pa tayo. Di ba? Tumatawa siya sa atin.
Yung ano yung vibe niya, jolly.
Oo, jolly. Ako yun.
So yeah, it's currently 11:26 p.m. Paris vibe yung outfit niya. Okay, pero
May ano, TikTok.
hello guys, we're here and we're just gonna take some pictures.
Kasi pala to.
Pwede na. Cucumber. So let's try. Beef and then chicken. Pork. And then tuloy na. So hello guys, medyo nanginginig na ako. Yung dahil sa coffee. Yung bagay yan.
Salubong na ako.
If ever na mahimatay ako, videohan mo ko ah. Yeah, I think it's because of the coffee. Paano pag tayong dalawa na ano? Oh, ang ganda niyan. Keep going. So yeah, just here to like shop something. So, tapos na kami sa Mega. Oh, shells! Ako mabangga siya. So, yeah, tapos na kami sa Mega Mall, guys. And punta kami dun sa... Huh? What? Mega World kasi. Hindi. Bobo. Nagugulo na ako. So, yeah, tapos na kami sa Mega World, tapos sa Mega Mall. Yan. Dami nang binili. Meron ng beauty care, then damit. Then yung lunch namin dito.
Ayan. Diyan pala sa'yo.
Tapos yung binili niya is beauty care din. Bumili kasi ng wet wipes para kasi ang lagit ng water.
Parang you feel like madumi ka every seconds.
Yeah.
Lalo na yung kamay mo. So, bumili kami ng disinfection na disinfect na wipes.
So ngayon nasa taxi kami kasi punta kami ng Hanoi Center. Medyo matagal siya kasi mas malayo yung Mega Mall.
Ngayon ang iPhone.
Scary kasi nagbubusina sila guys.
Kasi I feel like
Like,
I feel like
Wala silang traffic light or like sidewalk. Yung parang pedestrian lane.
Wet wipes.
So, it's quite scary. Pero ito parang okay naman to yung driver kasi dahan-dahan yung ano niya, patakbo niya. So, pwede na. Uy, hindi pala dahan-dahan.
So,
Charis lang guys. So, I'll see you later. Here na. Balik kami here.
just looking.
Laking-lakan.
Ano mo kung gusto ako?
Ito yung ano namin, comfort food muna.
Yeah, comfort food namin. Nag-iyaw-yaw din kami kahapon.
May question si CJU.
So, ang question ko kasi, gusto ko mag-research dito sa Vietnam kung paano mga tao pinalaki, tapos, ano tinuturo sa school. Kasi parang wala silang proper manner. Wala silang sukli. Alam mo yun, tapos ni cash or card, hindi nila alam yung English. I mean, yung basic English ba, little nga hindi nila alam yun.
For the answer.
And then, educate us kung ano bang, kasi yun yung so far na experience namin. Comment na, educate us.
So, hello guys. Kakabalik lang namin sa Hotel 101. And let's see what I got.
Okay, isang lang yung ano.
Takot siya. I got, nabuksan ko na ta, lip balm. And wet wipes. Yeah, kailangan namin. Ito naman plasters kasi tapos yung plasters ko. And I also bought lipstick. Ito naman, I bought dress. And I also bought jewels. Here. Yan. M size yung binili ko. There. Color is black. Hello. It's very... Ano? Yung piti. Bakit? 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 Third day, guys.
Third day? Oh, yeah. Oh my God, guys. Huh? Bilis.
And it's 10:15 a.m. pala.
PM.
And we're going to eat breakfast. And punta sana kami ng Ensigns Village. Hindi natuloy kasi umulan na siya. Nagising na sa amin 7 a.m. Pero sabi ko, dear umulan. And bumalik siya ng tulog. Natulog kami until 8:50. Malapit na mag-9. So yeah. And now it's already 10. And we're going to eat.
Wow, let's see all fast. Dapat pala dyan lang tayo.
Ayan. But yeah. Siguro next time na lang yung Ensigns Village. So this is my outfit.
Diba?
Yeah. Pero our outfit.
Red kineme. Red kineme.
Uy, hindi natin here.
Okay, ikaw mas.
So we just got here, guys. Ordered like coffee.
Binigyan mo ulit siya kaya ito.
This is coffee with coconut. So let's try, guys. And this time it's hot.
Wait lang.
Then it's good. Croissant. scrambled egg, ham and cheese. Try it.
Pero dito kasi yun yung sabi niya.
Kailan last day na dun ng pinatik. Tiramisu. So we're gonna try the tiramisu. And isa lang yung kutsara. So magkikis kami ni CJ. I'm so excited. So yeah, that is. Let's see if mas masarap siya dito. Yung creamy niya.
Di ba yung ice cream? Sa taas ba dito ice cream siya?
Pero hindi ko hindi ito yung taste talaga ng tiramisu. Kasi mas coffee yung tiramisu, di ba? Medyo coffee taste. So, pero masarap siya.
Lagi ko nasistakan. So, we're here waiting for our grab. Kasi umulaners. Kaya, I'm gonna go to a store because I'm gonna buy some clothes and some sandals. So yeah, see you later. Okay, so and quite worried about my thoughts. Voyage. So, I'm just waiting for sa Bandal booth. Kasi naghahanap kami ng clothes for her dad. Ayan. It's currently 1:37 p.m. So we're here na guys. Hello guys. So I got two shoes. Sandals pala. Yeah. And yung isa sinuot ko na. Ay. Right? May butas-butas siya. And then the other one is like my heels. So yeah, I'm quite excited to wear that. And naiinitan na ako. Papulis na ako guys. What time is it? It's currently 3:02 p.m. Hello guys. Ay, may suot ko ako. Nainitan lang talaga. Kaya tinanggal ko yung ang tawag ng bandana. Just feels so hot. But still pretty. And nagpapahinga lang kami here. Yeah.
Thank you. The pleasure. Allow me.
Okay. How long have you been working here?
Yeah, it looks so fancy. Mura lang.
Diba?
So, let's see if what I can.
Ito yung menu.
can eat.
tonight with her. Please take some time to look at that menu, and when you're ready,
Okay.
call to order. If you need any help with the order, please don't this week.
Okay, thank you. Sarap. I want the crab and asparagus soup. Then the orange glazed chicken with rice. Then also autumn sunset.
Yes.
Thank you.
Take the menu.
Just two of you. Yeah, I see.
Si Precious kasi. Precious ko na nanonood dito.
Hinahanap ka ng mga yun kong dito.
Mga restaurants.
So ito yung autumn Kinemeru. May pineapple siya inside.
Autumn sunset. Makakaganda siya ng ano. Kasi baka hindi ko na makauwi sa... Baka iba yung uwian. Baka bahay na yun yung mga
Oh, it's may ginger din siya, which is good.
ginger ale. Water naman ako.
Hindi ba ganun?
Pwede din. Pero ako gusto ko siya. Diba? May baby dito.
With orange glazed chicken with rice. And let's try kasi I'm like so hungry. Ayaw nga, no? Napag namang inasal. Cheers! Thank you, Lord. For this food.
Sa karinda niya.
So, nito na yung dessert. Mango sticker rice. Girl, I miss this. This is a Thailand dessert.
Talaga?
Originally from Thailand. And I miss it. So, yung ano niya is may coconut and with mango.
Sabi ko,
And ano
ano yung pala mo?
with blue siya. Dapat white to eh. So, let's try it. First taste sa inyo, guys. Inasal.
Ang sarap din ng coconut mo. Damihan mo yung coconut.
Ang sarap siya, pero mas masarap pa rin yung sa Thailanders.
Kasi nilibit nga ako. Sabi niya, mas masarap daw ito. Mas masarap daw sa Thailand. Hindi ikaw na nakapunta ng Thailand.
Tingnan nyo guys, blue yung ano niya. Pwede ba mag-request ng thank? Basta kami mag-eat. And we're about to go home. And we're so full. And this is our last day in Hanoi. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Phuket. So yeah, we're gonna go home now. Porch! So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. So it's currently 8:42 p.m. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!